Welcome guys. So today we are going to be seeing how we update our OBS studio for Avatarify, or for any other thing you want to use it for, or basically for Avatarify. If you open your OBS studio and for some reasons you have cancelled the pop-ups that shows you that you need to update your OBS, there is also a way you can also do it. You can just come to help. You can come to check for updates. Now if there are updates, it's going to show you. So it's going to show you like updates now. So you update now, you click on yes. It's searching for the updates, available updates. Once this is done, very good, it's downloading the updates. Very good. So now we'll launch the OBS. So this is a very easy way to launch your OBS for Avatarify or for any other purpose you are using your OBS for. Now if you came across this video while you're searching for the Avatarify, how to install or how to go about it, the video I made for how to install Avatarify, the link will be showing on top of this video right now. You can click on it and you can see how you can go on with your installation for Avatarify. Thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.